What are the signs of internal phone corrosion after water damage? Imagine your phone as a tiny city of electronic parts working together smoothly. When water sneaks inside, it can cause a slow, unseen invasion called corrosion. This process happens when moisture reacts with metal parts inside your device, leading to oxidation and damage. You might not see the damage right away, but there are telltale signs that something is wrong beneath the surface. First, look for visual clues. Greenish or whitish deposits around the charging port, SIM card slot, or buttons are common signs of corrosion. These spots show that metal parts are reacting with water and starting to degrade. If you notice discoloration or watermarks under the screen, it could mean moisture is trapped inside, causing blotchy patches or rainbow-like effects. Sometimes, the camera lens fogs up or appears cloudy because water has entered the camera module, which indicates internal moisture. Many phones have liquid contact indicators that change color, often turning red or pink when exposed to water. These are tiny stickers placed inside the device that serve as a warning sign. Functionally, your phone might start acting strange. If the touchscreen becomes unresponsive or responds erratically, corrosion might be disrupting the circuitry. You could see random app openings or buttons activating on their own, which are signs of internal shorts caused by corrosion. Display flickering, lines, or distorted images are common when corrosion affects the display connections. Charging problems are also a red flag. If your phone charges intermittently or refuses to charge, corrosion in the charging port could be the cause. As corrosion worsens, your phone might shut down unexpectedly or fail to turn on all because critical power circuits are compromised. Corrosion doesn't happen overnight. It often develops hours or days after water exposure, so initial damage might seem minor. Over time, the corrosion can spread under shields and circuit boards, causing hidden damage that worsens the device's condition. If you suspect water damage, it's best to turn off the phone immediately and avoid charging it. Getting a professional to open the device and check for corrosion is a smart move. Cleaning corrosion involves special tools and solutions to remove mineral deposits and oxidation without harming delicate parts. Keep in mind, some damage from corrosion can be permanent, especially if key chips or connectors are affected. Recognizing these signs early can help decide whether to repair or replace your device, saving you time and money in the long run.